Say hi. Here we are, F Street. Can you see that? Oh, there it is. Coco Sala. Our apartment up there. We're just hanging out. Son of a... Jessica's throwing snowballs in the middle of the road. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to your folks back home.
Hi, folks back home.
Hey, Orlando misses you.
Yeah.
Hello? Is this thing on? Alright, moving on. Oh, you missed it earlier. There's a bunch of people walking in the middle, look like zombies.
Who's you?
I'm gonna send this to your family. Oh, look, there's some zombies right there.
Zombie.
Don't make eye contact, because they will eat you. It's kind of cool, though. Oh, a couple more zombies. They look normal. Anyways, just thought y'all should see this. Good luck, best wishes. Bye.